then hold this down too.
You get. Oh my gosh!
That was fast.
I thought you were going to give me a warning.
Johnny was just fast.
It's coming down.
I don't see it.
I do.
Where's it at?
I see it. The parachute's. Uh-oh.
Where is it?
The parachute's not working. I see it. I can't jump. I can't see it. I can't see it.
Did you hear him?
Where'd it go?
It went over in the trees.
Serious?
Yeah. There's a ripple.
Let's go look.
That way.
Let's go look.
It went over in the trees. I saw it. That's it. What? No, it's not.
I have no clue where it went.
Caleb, that's not it. Oh, it's a orbit. That's a UFO.
That's a UFO.